Are you looking for a PDF on Discord and don't know where to start? You're in the right place. Today, we're walking you through the simple steps to locate a PDF file on Discord using your PC with the latest update. Let's jump right in. First, open the Discord app on your computer. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to get to your main interface. Once you're in, navigate to the chat or server where you want to search for the media. Whether it's a group chat with friends or a server filled with resources, finding the right spot is essential. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a search bar just waiting for your input. Click on it to activate the search functionality. Here's the magic part. Type has:file into the search bar. This command tells Discord to filter out everything except files that were shared in the chat. Now, you're zeroing in on those documents. After hitting enter, Discord will display all the media shared within that chat or server. Scroll through the list until you find the PDF you're searching for. It may take a moment, but you'll soon spot the file you need. And just like that, you've successfully searched for a PDF on Discord. It's a quick and efficient way to sift through all that information without wasting time. So, next time you need to find a document shared in a server, remember these steps. Open Discord, navigate to the chat, use the search bar, type has file, and voila. Happy searching.